Today we introduce electrospinning, a revolutionary production method in nanotechnology, and NanoWeaver Starter, which makes it accessible on a laboratory scale. Electrospinning is a method of drawing polymer solutions or melts into very fine fibers under a high-voltage electric field. This enables nanofibers to be used in areas such as drug delivery, tissue engineering, wound healing, and scaffold structures in regenerative medicine. It is preferred in the production of high-performance fabrics for filtration, protective clothing, and medical textiles. Also, advanced coatings for batteries, capacitors, and sensors provide conductive nanofiber networks for energy storage, and more. The NanoWeaver play a role in the production of effective filtration materials for air, water, and industrial processes. We offer innovative solutions for drug delivery in nanofiber-based drug carriers and cosmetic products. The NanoWeaver Starter is the most basic and economical starting point of our electrospinning product family. It has a simple design and basic features for the efficient production of polymer-based nanofibers. It is equipped with the most basic features such as a plain collector, a high-voltage source, a single spinneret, and a syringe pump with a single channel. The NanoWeaver Starter is a simple model that allows control, monitoring, and modification of experimental parameters such as manually adjustable spinneret-to-collector distance, applied voltage, and solution delivery rate, enabling users to produce nanofibers with the desired properties at a basic level. For more information, visit our website, itasonic.com.